Hello friends, how are you doing? Hope you are all doing well. Do you guys learn English? Of course you learn English. Can you speak for 10 minutes? No? If you cannot, what is your problem? Why you cannot speak for 10 minutes or so? Do you run out of ideas? If you are starting a conversation and you cannot prolong a conversation and you easily run out of ideas, this video is for you guys. Please watch this video up to the end. In this video I have included some tips and tricks that can really help you to prolong your ideas while you start talking to someone in English. So yes, it is almost everyone wishes and hopes that speaking English very fluently like a native American. It is possible if you try more, if you follow some rules and steps and rules in this area. So it is a common problem for almost everybody who wants to learn English and who haven't been in a society that English is spoken, like Afghanistan, Iran, and some other countries. People mostly do not talk in English, do not speak in English. They speak in their own language. So again, these people, these countries' people, they want to learn this language, English, I mean. So when it comes to talking and speaking, producing that language, it is a bit challenging for most of these people, because while they are starting a conversation, they, within a few minutes or seconds even, they run out of ideas. They do not know what to do, what to say, and even though they know the grammar better, even they have a full vocabulary bank, but again they are struggling how to stick these sentences together in order to have a speech or have a sharing ideas regarding something. So in this way, I have included some points. The first one is, while you are starting a conversation with someone else, and try to choose a topic that you feel comfortable and you make sure that you have more ideas regarding that topic. If so, you may be able to prolong your conversation as longer as you want. But if the topic is not your favorite topic and it is your opponent person, your partner's favorite topic, he can talk about that for a longer time and you cannot do that, and you have to buy some times and tell him or her that give you some opportunities, some time, and that time you have to think about that topic, that specific topic, break it down into pieces, okay, and then write down every piece of information that you think will be related to this topic. And if you're writing down, list everything comes in your mind, then you have to think which one is good, choose that. That time you're choosing which one of this point is good to talk about and which one is not. Okay, the one which you think you may have more ideas, more things to say, you can choose that and start talking then. Okay, it is one way. The other way is to ask a lot of open-ended questions. What are open-ended questions? Those questions that your opponent or your partner cannot answer using a single yes or no. He or she should explain the answers. Okay, while he or she explaining the answers, you can create other question within that answer. From those answers, you can create a lot of other questions that really can help you to prolong the conversation. The next thing that I'm going to mention here is that you have to find a common ground. What is a common ground? If you found that the person whom do you talk to, he likes a specific area and you like the same area, the same thing, and you stick to that and try to ask a lot of questions, try to tell some stories, try to tell your experience, and ask for his experience as well. These are the steps that you can prolong your ideas. Or sometimes you choose a topic and that topic is very controversial and you have to choose a side and back up your side and stand still up to the end. Do not give up easily. Sorry for mispronunciation of the words. Okay, do not give up easily and try to have your ideas. Try to think about your ideas before answering that question. You have to think a lot. And the next thing that I'm going to mention here, and it is also a good tip, you have to be a good and active listener. Listening actively to your partner, he may feel comfortable and he may have some more ideas. Okay, it is also bilateral. Okay, vice versa. You ask him or her, if you are the speaker, he is the or she is the listener, you ask him or her that listen actively. Okay, listening actively to each other, to people who are speaking to each other, is really helpful. It motivates you guys to speak more. You feel respected. While you're feeling respected, feel somehow confident. Okay, and if you feel confident, you may automatically have some more ideas, some more thoughts to share with regarding a specific topic.